In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Brevo. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Marketing. Click on Marketing and then click Create Campaign. A pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, choose Email, then select Regular Email as the type. You'll be asked to enter a campaign name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. You can also choose tags for this campaign and select a folder to keep things organized. When you are happy with those settings, click Create Campaign. You'll now see your campaign setup page, which is divided into several sections: Sender, Recipients, Subject, Design, and Scheduling. Start with the Sender section. Click Manage Sender and the area will expand. Here, you can choose or change the email address and the sender name that your recipients will see in their inbox. Make sure this is something recognizable and trustworthy. When you're done, click Save. Next, move to the Recipients section. Click Add Recipients and the panel will open. Click inside the selection field to see a drop-down where you can choose an entire list, a segment, or individual contacts. Take a moment to double-check you're sending to the right audience. You can also check the option Don't Send to Unengaged Contacts if you want to avoid people who haven't interacted in a while. When everything looks correct, click Save. Now, set up your subject line, click Add Subject to expand that section. Type in your subject line, and if you like, you can insert emojis, add personalization variables, or use the built-in AI writing tool to help refine your copy. Below that, add your preview text, which is the short line many email clients show next to the subject. You can also add emojis and variables here. As you edit, you'll see a live preview on the right. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Next is the fun part, designing your email. Click Start Designing, and a pop-up will appear asking whether you want to use campaign emails or templates. For this example, select one of your existing campaign emails. The editor will open with a live preview on the right and a content panel on the left. In the content panel, you'll see 3 tabs at the top: Blocks, Sections, and Saved. You can drag and drop any of these elements into your email layout to build your design. Use blocks for things like text, images, and buttons, and sections to structure different parts of the email. Switch over to the style settings to control the overall look. Here you can adjust the layout and spacing, change the background color, edit the header, and customize text styles, text settings, links, and buttons. This is where you make sure your newsletter matches your brand. To edit any existing block in the email, simply click on it. Its editing and styling options will appear on the left panel. You'll also notice floating icons around the selected block that let you move it up or down, duplicate it, use AI to help with content, or delete it. Take your time to fine-tune the content, images, and formatting until everything looks good. When you're finished designing, click Save and Quit in the top right corner. Wait for the page to reload, and you'll be taken back to your main campaign editor screen. The final step is scheduling your send. In the campaign editor, click Schedule in the top right. A panel will open on the right side with your sending options. You can choose to send the newsletter immediately, schedule it for a specific date and time, use Send at Best Time if that's available for your account, or send in batches if you want to stagger delivery. Select the option that works best for your strategy, then click Send or Schedule at the bottom right. And that's it. You've created and scheduled a newsletter in Brevo, from setting up the campaign to designing the content, all the way through to sending it to your audience.